Hello there, we are going to talk about the preventive maintenance with wet bench. Part 5. And we are going to clean all the tank, including the DI tank and chemical tank by DI water gun and a specific solvent. We use the specific solvent to spray to the specific chemical. We use the solvent to spray on the chemical residue part. To take care of the chemical residue. After the solvent reaction for a while, we use the DI gun to clean. Use the DI gun to clean the solvent and the chemical residue. After that, we use the N2 gun, the nitrogen gun, to spray the body to let it dry. If the DI water tank and the chemical tank condition very well, almost no chemical residue, with your advantage technology wet bench, you don't have to do it. Just use the auto clean function to do it. Next, we're talking the low pour or the smooth maintenance. We clean the movement parts and the movement assembly, just like the screw rod or the roll bar hands or the open door assembly. Clean it with specific solvent and nitrogen gun, and then remove the used lubricant by clean clothes and specific solvent. Next step B, lubricate movement parts with new specific lubricant. There are many kinds of the lubricant for clearing using. Choose a suitable lubricant for your equipment. Different movement parts use different lubricant. Then step C, test and confirm the movement by manually operation. Is to confirm the movement if is correct. If not correct, retrieve the roll bar or the window or gripper, retrieve it. Step D, finally, to clean all the equipment body of the low pour or the smooth. Then measure the particle level if your low pour or smooth is sealed type. The sealed type low pour or smooth, measure the particle level to see it's not or it's yes, clean enough. Now this is the computer or notebook or a PLC, is control assembly. Step A. Renew the battery of the PLC or PC. And if you have the UPS system, renew the battery if necessary. Step B. Back up a hard disk or SSD, or you use the dual hard disk data. You need backup just for insurance. The used hard disk means that the PLC or computer running with a hard disk. There's two hard disks running at the same time. If one hard disk fails, the other hard disk still works. To make sure the whole system is running well, even one hard disk is out of order. Step C. Renew PLC or computer. If the PLC or computer is too old to use, renew one for insurance during the maintenance period. Okay, let's see you next time.